Hi everyone, this is Brenda with the Valley High Family Resource Center. I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to Minds and Rhymes. For today's video, we will be working on the letter H and the number 8. Hola, buenos días y bienvenidos a Animas y Rimas. Para este video vamos a aprender sobre la letra H y el número 8. Okay, so we'll start off with the letter H. And the number 8. Alright, so since we're working on the letter H for this week, we will be constructing our own little house. For this, you will need different colored construction paper, scissors, glue, and popsicle sticks. Okay, so to start off, I have cut the construction paper into a few different pieces. So this triangle is going to be the top of our house. And then I've cut 2 little squares, and these will work as our windows. And then one longer one like this, which will be our door. Okay, so to start off, I'm just going to take my popsicle sticks and I'm going to glue them onto the construction paper just one by one, lined up across like this. And once you have enough popsicle sticks across to where it's starting to look like a square, you will take your triangle, this is going to be the roof of the house, and you will glue it up here to the top. Okay, and we're just going to do the same thing for the door and the little windows. Alright, and just to finish it up, I'm going to take a green marker and I'm going to draw the grass or the lawn in front of the house. Okay, and there we go. I went ahead and drew some little flowers in here as well as a sun. But that is how you make your popsicle stick house. Alright, and that is it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this craft. And as always, be sure to take pictures of your work and share them with our Facebook and Instagram. Alright, see you next week. Bye.